In Act 4, Scene 3 of William Shakespeare's Hamlet, King Claudius reveals his concerns to his advisors about the threat Hamlet poses while simultaneously acknowledging Hamlet's popularity among the citizens of Denmark. This popularity prevents Claudius from taking direct action against Hamlet for fear of public backlash. Instead, Claudius plans to make Hamlet's imminent departure to England seem like a pre-planned trip. Rosencrantz enters the scene to inform Claudius that although they have Hamlet under watch, he refuses to disclose the whereabouts of Polonius's body. Prompted by this, Claudius orders that Hamlet be brought before him. When Hamlet arrives, escorted by Guildenstern, Claudius inquires about Polonius's location. Hamlet cryptically answers that Polonius is at supper, implying that Polonius is not consuming the meal, but rather is being consumed, referring to the degradation of Polonius's corpse. An agitated Claudius demands a straightforward answer, and Hamlet suggests that Polonius is in heaven, but jests that if not found there, the stench of his decaying body will soon be unmistakable in the palace. Following this, Claudius instructs his attendants to locate Polonius's body. Switching topics, Claudius expresses his concern for Hamlet's well-being as a pretext for his decision to send Hamlet to England. As Hamlet exits, he mockingly bids Claudius farewell by calling him "Dear Mother," a jab at Claudius's marriage to Hamlet's mother, Queen Gertrude. Hamlet's sarcastic remarks underscore the unnaturalness he sees in their union. After correcting Hamlet, Claudius emphasizes the urgency of Hamlet's departure, instructing his attendants to ensure that Hamlet boards the ship to England that very night. Left alone, Claudius reveals his true intentions in sending Hamlet away. He hopes the King of England will comply with the instructions in a letter, carried by Hamlet, to execute Hamlet upon his arrival. Claudius confesses in soliloquy his desperate desire for Hamlet's death, believing that only then can he find personal peace and security, revealing the depth of his treachery and the profound conflict at the heart of the play. This scene is pivotal, exposing Claudius's manipulative nature and his strategies for eliminating Hamlet, thereby advancing the plot towards its tragic conclusion. So that's our Bookly Crash Course for today. Make sure to check out our full chapter-by-chapter playlist on the Bookly Crash Course channel.